Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my 24-inch barrel Ranger Model 103-8. Now this gun was made sometime, I believe, between 1930 and 1940. Now the first thing we're always going to do is we're going to make sure the gun's unloaded. Alright, you're going to make sure there's nothing in there. This is a single shot, so there's no chance that there's a tube or anything that would reload into the gun. But just to give you a little more information, this is a 22 shot shell rifle. The barrel's completely smooth, there's no rifling. It's a little bit different. You know, it's a bolt action. This is definitely what I would call a gun that you might use to shoot at snakes or rats or little things in the grass. But other than that, it's I think it's a Marlin 100. I'll let you get a closer look. Now this gun has a cocking knob. That knob has to be pulled. That would allow it to be fired. To remove the bolt, you'll pull the trigger. Bolt slides off very easy. Now, to take apart the bolt, you'd have to pop these pins. This pin will let the cocking knob come off. This pin will release the head of this cocking knob. And then you'd have to, this pin over here would help you remove the ejector. And this pin would release the bolt, firing pin. You can pull it out from the inside. Now I do like these little 22s. This is like a safety. You know, as long as this isn't pulled back, the gun's not going to fire. You can carry it loaded and just quickly pop this back and it's good to go. Alright, now to get it back in, I just pull the trigger, slides right in. You're good to go. Now this is a one screw gun. The screw is going to be located right here. If you get a screwdriver that fits, pops off right like that. That'll give you an idea of the inside. Nothing to it. Just a trigger, a little spring. This is inside the stock. To reassemble it, you're just going to get it right back in there. You can get it started with your finger. That's all there is to it. Alright, here I'll give you a closer look at the gun, and then at the end of the video I'll show you some close-up photos. Get you some close-up looks. Now this does not have a back sight, just the bead in the front. And this was before the days of serial numbers. I mean, you won't need it for a snake gun. Alright, as always, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment or send me a message if you want to see more of the gun or anything else like that.